Good morning. I wanted to make a video to go over the math pages for week 4. It's been a while since we've seen the strategies for this. I wanted to make sure that you guys knew exactly what to do at home. This page that we're looking at right now has an M on it for Monday. So this is today's worksheet. As a reminder, for your strategies, we have our 4 B's: bigger bottom, better borrow, and also our saying, more on the floor, go next door and get some more. So we're going to be using those if we do have a bigger bottom on one of our subtraction problems for today. So let's start with the first one. We have 506 minus 124. So I'm going to start here on my one side. I can subtract 6 minus 4. So what do you think 6 minus 4 is? 2. Moving on to my tens place, here I have 0 minus 2. Can I do that? No. I have a bigger bottom, better borrow. So what am I going to do here? I have to borrow. Since I have more on the floor, I'm going to go next door and get some more. So I'm going to be taking 1 away from my 5. So my 5 becomes a 4. And my 0 becomes a 10. Now if you remember the trick that we did in class, if you put a 1 in front of whatever number's already given to you, then you can figure out what your new number should be. So I put a 1 in front of that 0 and it became a 10. So now I have 10 minus 2. I can do that. It gives me 8. And 4 minus 1 gives me 3. So my final answer, 382. Moving on to my next one. Starting on my one side, I have 3 minus 6. Can I do that? No. I have a bigger bottom, so I better borrow. More on the floor, go next door and get some more. So I'm going to take 1 away from my 2. That becomes a 1. And my 3 becomes a 13. Now I can subtract. 13 minus 6 is 7. And now I can move on to my tens place. I have a 1 minus 4. Can I do that? No. Again, I have a bigger bottom, better borrow. Since there's more on the floor, I'm going to go next door and get some more. My 6 becomes a 5. My 1 now becomes an 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7. And 5 minus 2. 3. So my final answer, 377. All right, I'm going to let you finish the rest on your own. If you get stuck on a certain one, send me a message on Google Classroom and I can work that one out and help you, okay?